It's packing day! Got a special guest. Mr. Higurumi. That's my sister's dog. I'm looking after him while she's away. But I'm about to start packing. I go in 4 days. I'm so excited. And I thought I would do a pack with me because I haven't done one on my YouTube for ages. I'm gonna put you up and get my suitcase out. I can't wait for a tan. Look how pale I am. Get me to Thailand. I've got my Girls Who Travel suitcase out again. This is like my Girls Who Travel trip suitcase because I worked with Rock to choose my favourite suitcase and personalise it. So that was our first Bali trip to Denpasar, Bali. And yeah, very cute. I'm going to stick some more stickers on because I actually have some. Get them going. The only thing with white is it does get dirty quite easily, but these suitcases are so big. Hello Kiki, do you want to come to Thailand? We actually have quite a lot in here left from Bali because I kept all my essentials like mosquito repellent bracelets. I need to actually order some more of these. And this is like an emergency bag that I take with me everywhere. It's got Diorite in, it's got Imodium, it's got D-bloat tablets, plasters, blister plasters, a protein bar. Hugo's coming with me apparently. Some masks, tampons, just like everything I'd need, kind of, that I just keep in a big bag. And then I need to get my packing cubes out. If you don't have packing cubes, if you're going on a trip that you're moving around a lot and you want to know where everything is in your suitcase, then packing cubes from Amazon are amazing. I will link them down below. Right, this is everything I've got from my summer wardrobe that I would love to take. Wait a second. Oh, I need to lower you so you can see. That's a lot of stuff, but it's everything that I want to take. But what I do is I put it all out and then I go through it and think, am I really going to do that? Look at the itinerary, which I will get up now. So, Girls Who Travel Thailand Paradise itinerary. If you don't know, I run Girls Who Travel, which is a safe space for females to travel, and then we host trips to Thailand and Bali. We're about to launch another trip and some more this year. And yeah, I'm going to launch the Thailand one, so that's where I'm going. Where do we even start? I've got gym stuff, which I'm gonna go there because I'm hoping I can get some runs in or just be active. I like to stay a little bit active when I'm away. Not too much that I'm like, oh, I need to do it, but you know, enough that my pajama top has somehow got in here. Enough that I feel like I've moved my body. Okay, so I bought some new stuff. I love this, either for like a daytime or just an evening chill. This was from Princess Polly. So I definitely want to take that. I'm gonna do the definitely pile, the maybe pile, and the no pile, and then I'll put them into like packing cube piles as well. Guys, I got this dress from Bali. It's a boutique called Ziz the Label, and I haven't worn it yet, and I'm so excited. It's like a beautiful crochet dress, open back. I'm so excited to wear it. I bought it at the end of the trip, so I never actually wore it. And now I can take it to Thailand. That will be in the evening pile. Let's put that there. I'm actually going to put them in piles now. Like day, evening, all of that. These are shorts from ASOS, and I'm like, will I need them? But then I do like taking shorts with me to just pair with a top in the day or put over a bikini. So I'll put those in the maybe pile. These are Valentine's pajamas. I got matching with Millie because it's Valentine's Day when we're out there, so I thought I would get her some pajamas. They're from Chelsea Piers. The other one should be here, somewhere under, I can see it, in the side, so then we can be matching on Galentine's. And then I also got sent this panty set, which is really cute. Which I want to take a photo in when I'm there because it's a small sustainable underwear company and they have such gorgeous stuff. Millie's housemate actually helps run the Instagram, so she sent me some bits, so I'll also put that in the pile of Millie's PJs. Right, this is basically a cover up, but it's also good for the beach. I kind of use it as a towel, sun shelter, anything. So I didn't do that much shopping for this trip because I was like, I have so much summer stuff, but I went to, I need to start bikinis. Bikinis can go there. I went to Hollister and they had some summer bits in, And I have so many white skirts, so I don't know why I picked it up, and I might take it back. But they had this really cute white skirt. So if you're looking for a white skirt, Hollister do have some in at the moment. And it was only £30, which I think is quite good. That's how much mine was, and I've worn it for years. That's in the maybe pile to take, and I might send it back. Oh, I got this bikini top from Naked Fashion, also a good place to shop for summer stuff at this time of year. They had loads of stuff and a big sale. So I'll put that in the bikini pile. This is also from Naked Fashion. It's a two-piece. We've got a crochet skirt and then a crochet top. I might be too hot in the evenings to wear this, but I thought it would be cute. Maybe even open with a bikini. So that. Oh, this is an England dress. I got these little cami tops from Naked Fashion as well. I just thought they were really easy to pair with stuff during the day, like shorts and stuff like that. What else? Oh, this was from Hollister as well, but it's too small, so I'm going to go and get a size up. It's cute though, a little crochet long sleeve top. Again, might be too hot, I don't know. I feel like in Bali I'd be sweating in this, so probably the same in Thailand. These little, I do love just like short and like co-ord sets on holiday, because it looks like you've put an effort in, but you really haven't. You've just shoved it on. I've got a few of those. I've also got this one. Put that there. So I've got piles, let me show you. I've got piles of stuff. And then I'm going to sort it out into my packing cubes so that we've got it all and I know where it all is. Do you know what? I think I'm going to have to finish packing tomorrow or the next day, finish this video, because my mum has just texted and I'm going to look after my niece Aurelia with her, and she's just said, what time are you coming? So I think she means now. I think she means I need to get there now. So evening stuff, I bought like this like plain bodycon dress. I wore it in Bali a lot, just like, it's just nice to slip on and it's light. I've also got this from Princess Polly, which is nice just to chuck on as well. I've got this as well from Princess Polly. They have great stuff, which again is just like a slip-on bandeau dress. But some evenings I will literally just wear my like maxi skirt and a little crop, very chill. Yes, I need to put in. Don't have much evening stuff, but to be honest, I don't think we'll be dressing up for dinner much at all. I'm very much the vibe on holiday or on trips that I just wash my hair, no makeup, moisturise, and just chuck anything on in the evening, unless I want to get a photo or something, but that's the vibe. Right, tops. I absolutely live for just plain basic tops when I'm away. Like these, I know this is patterned, but I have these in white, black, khaki and orange, and they're from Stradivarius and I live in them. If I could create a little crop top, it would be that in like every single colour. Some cute like summery tops. I just love summer clothes. I feel so happy. The tops there, and I will need to add to them. It's my evening stuff. And then my co-ords and play suits I will put in there, and probably my gym stuff. Gym stuff, that there. And then these are like cover-ups for the beach and when we're on the boat trips and everything. This is a little crochet dress from Bali, which is just really nice to cover up in. Also this, if we're going to any temples or somewhere that we need to wear a longer sleeve for, then I've got this crochet long sleeve top. I've also got a shirt, it's from the men's section in Primark, just a stripy shirt. And then this, I look like a 5-year-old. I feel like this is what you'd wear when you were 5 and your parents would put you in it, but it's just cute, tropical island girl. And it's from Depop. And I just typed in like hibiscus flower and it came up, and I love it. And then also this little towel, I'll just put that on top for now. And then I can properly pack everything up tomorrow when I'm not in a rush. So guys, I will be back. Sorry for the disjointed video, but we're getting there, it's a good start. Guys, we're back for round 2. And I've got all my bikinis out and the rest of the stuff that I wanted. So all my bikinis are in here. I know it's a little bit excessive. Should we count how many I have? And I'll also show you some brands that I love and some of my favorite bikinis. But like I will literally be living in bikinis when I go away, so I may as well pack lots of them. So this is Bella Sol Swim. My friend Amalia Strand, it's her sister's brand. I love that pattern. I bought it for Costa Rica last year and I actually haven't worn it since, so I'm excited to take that to Thailand. I feel like it's very beachy, very islandy. This is also, all of these three green things are from, green bikini set is also from Belisol, and I was thinking it'd be quite nice to mix and match. So like that top goes with the green bottoms. I'm a very colourful girl when it comes to bikinis. This is kind of the same design and similar fit, but this is from Itinerary. I have been trying to get this in a different colour from them since I got this because I love it so much, but they literally are sold out all the time, and I don't know if they've discontinued it because it's never in stock, but if you see my Instagram, you'll see I wear this non-stop. It's this little pink top with mix and match yellow bottoms. Then Hunza G, my favourite swimwear company. AMZT bought this for me for my birthday, and if you're looking for a birthday present to buy your friend and you have a little bit more of a budget, then Hunza G is my favourite thing ever. I literally screamed when I opened this. I've also got a Hunza G bikini in yellow. This little thing. This is my sister's old bikini from Indigo Swim. Hugo, Hugo, that's my packing cube. Oh, it's because his ball's underneath it. I'm like, why is he attacking my packing cube? This is from Itinerary. Love this again. Kind of the same fit as my others. I've got this in a navy colour here as well. I love that fit. It's a brand in Bali, but I think they ship worldwide. Again, basically the same fit. This is from an Australian company called, what's it called? It's like the really famous Australian brand, Kalanikinis. And I also have got this one from them as well, which I love the print of this one. This is Millie's. I accidentally put it in my case from Bali. It's from Lounge. Love that. Really gorgeous fit as well. This is like a velvet purple one from ASOS. Don't know what they're doing in there. This is from ASOS. Little backless swimming costume. Love that. Also got a swimming costume here that I bought from H&M last year and I never actually got to wear. Love it, but it's not very island girl vibes, but I do think it would look quite cool with sunset on a beach. It's like cut out. It's quite Ibiza, but I feel like I can island girl it up. This is from Depop. I love it. It reminds me of the Van Gogh painting. And it's got matching bottoms. And then this is a swimsuit from Itinerary here. Guys, overpacked with the bikinis, but I just love the options and I love bikinis so much. It's my favourite thing to pack. I got a message, what's that? And then this is from H&M. Just a nice plain black bikini. It's like a crinkle. I love it. I love swimsuits. I'm such a swimsuit. I just love them. I think they're so pretty. It's like wearing a bodysuit in the water. You guys look at me like, who are you talking to? There is no one here. 18 bikinis, am I okay? No, I'm not. I'm not okay. But it's all right. It's all right. It's okay. Let's not talk about it. Let's not talk about the obsession. Do you know what? Fun fact, I was going to bring out a swimwear line when I was at uni. I had like everything drawn up. I had the business concept, I had the model, I had exactly how I was going to sell it, the like selling points, the like material I was going to use. I literally had it all set up and I never went ahead with it. But that would have been a dream, wouldn't it? An absolute dream. And then I've just got some plain tops that I'm going to pack. So I've just got some like white and black tank tops and vests. I've also got a pink one, I've got some colourful ones, a bandeau, some more colourful tops that I can just chuck on with skirt, shorts, all of that. It's just good to have them packed. So I was talking about that I showed you earlier, and I've just got them in loads of different colours because they're just super easy and handy to have with me. So I need to put those in a packing cube, and then I think we're going to be nearly packed. I need to do shoes, bags, accessories, like hats, scarves. Don't need a scarf. Hats, bucket hats, caps, and sunglasses and stuff. I'm packing up my jewellery. I don't take much. I don't take expensive stuff. I just take like fun bracelets and colourful stuff. Oh, good. Good. That's nice. That's really nice, Hughes. Another pearl necklace. This is from Bali, a little market in Bali. I've got some pearl earrings, which I think they're just from ASOS. These little pearl earrings. And I've got an anklet, which I'll put on, and it's turquoise. It's just from ASOS a while ago. I'm putting all my accessories in this travel pouch. And then I've got a bucket hat. This is from Naked Sundays. I think they're a sun cream company. And then obviously I've got my Gals 2 bucket hat and cap, which I need to go and get. Multi-spray. I will need some more, it's running out, but it's good to take that and use it. I've been searching high and low. By the way, I've had lunch and a meeting later. I'm not still here. I am still here. I am still packing. But I've been looking high and low for my Gals 2 bucket hat. Cannot find it. I don't know where it is. Anyway, I've got Gals 2 caps. I've got one for all the team. And also, you know, if anyone did bring a cap, I've got one. I've got this like crochet bucket hat and then this crochet bucket hat. I also have got, I only am going to bring 2 pairs of shoes, well 3. My trainers that I'm going to wear on the flight, my very trusty sandals that I've had for years, and they are so comfy. You know when you're just like, I can't even feel these on my feet, they're so comfy. For the evening that I got from Bali in a market, they're literally just plain like that, they're nothing special. No one looks at your feet anyway, and we're on an island, it doesn't really matter. So, I'm gonna put those in there. Oh, this is my beach bag. This is literally from Bershka, it's just like a crochet beach bag. Love it, it's so big as well, it fits like my towel and everything in. I have 2 cowboy hats, which are completely squashed because they've been in the cupboard, but hopefully they'll be all right once we get through. That's my shoes and hats and stuff, apart from my Gals 2 bucket hat, which has to be somewhere. Other bags. This is just a green little crochet bag that I took to Bali and I wore all the time. It actually fits so much in there. And then I've also got this bag. This is from Urban Outfitters. I feel like Urban Outfitters? No. Uniqlo. I feel like everyone has it. It's so good. It fits everything in. It's such a good bag just to travel around with. And yeah, I love it. I found it so helpful in Bali. Just put it around here and it fit honestly so much. It's like a TARDIS. And so those are my 2 bags that I'm bringing. And then this, and that's it. I was going to bring a mini rucksack, but I just don't think I'll need it because this is basically like a bag that I can use everywhere. Sorry, look at the state of me. Soon I'll be in a bikini in my beautiful colourful clothes ready to go. So I think I'm going to end this here because I basically packed all I can, and I'm not going to close the suitcase yet because I need to add my toiletries in, which will literally just be your classic toiletries. Also obviously sun cream and stuff, and bug spray, which I've just put in actually. And I'm going to leave it open because I'm not going for another 2 days. Thursday, Friday, yeah, 2 days. But yeah, hope this was slightly helpful, gave you a bit of inspo, some summer shops, some bikinis, all of that. If you have any questions, then please DM me or Gals Who Travel. And if you want to join one of our trips, then follow Gals Who Travel, and there'll be lots more announcements this year. So, thank you for watching. The next video will be a Thailand vlog. Love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next video.